All right, I'm gonna check on my 5 puts in 5 minutes from Monday. First one is WDC. They reported their earnings on the first, and let's double check and see where they're at with that put. That's Wells Fargo. WDC is right here. I sold it for 22.53. It looks like it's trading for 0.05. Let me go ahead and create a closing order for this. Create closing order. WDC. Buy it back. Buy it at close. It's currently trading at 3. So let me put in at 2. See if it pops a little bit. And then confirm and send. So I'm buying that back at like a 95% profit. Let's look at the next one. WDC popped nicely. I sold the cover call or the cash secure put down here. Let's see, Wells Fargo. This one I rolled. I rolled a covered call on this one actually. This isn't a put. I rolled a covered call, and it kind of got whacked a little bit. So let's see where Wells Fargo is. I sold it for 74, and it's currently trading at 3 as well. So let's create the closing order on that. Let's do that at 2, see if it rolls down a little bit. Let's do last one is MOS. Let me take a look at MOS. MOS. This one was part of the cover or the cash secured put. It dipped down and it got close to the 38, but then it made this nice run up. So let me see where it's at. No, wrong one. MOS right there. Let's see. I sold it for 26. Let me create a closing order. And it's trading at 26 or trading at 6, and I sold it for 26. I don't think that's that much of a profit. Plus Mosaic at 38. If it triggers, I don't have a problem with that. So I'm going to delete that order. I'm not going to take a look at that one. Let me see PFE. PFE was my other one. Pfizer. Let's take a look at Pfizer. Not a lot of movement on Pfizer. That one was a cash secured put at 35. So it's not there yet. But it did run up here. So let's take a look at Pfizer. See how close they are. Sold it for 23. Let's create a closing order. It's at 7. No, maybe give it one more day, and then maybe I'll close it out. Let me look at what I can do in terms of some more cash secured puts. Let's take a look at MGM. MGM I haven't been able to get into because it's had this crazy run up right here, all the way from the mid 30s, and then it went all the way up and tested 50. So it's now earnings. It reports on the 2nd. So let's see if there's any opportunity out there for MGM. Actually, there is. I like this 47. It's not where I. It's not as low as I want it to be, but I don't think it'll pull all the way back to 47 on earnings. So let me go at it and send that. I'll sell a cash secured put for MGM at 47. And then the other one that I haven't been able to trade very often because of also the similar problem, the nice run up, is Monster. Let's take a look at Monster. It's currently trading at 57.50. It's going to report earnings. So this run up here, I like the 50 level, but it stayed there for a long time. I didn't know which way it was going to go, and then it popped nicely. So it's coming back in a little bit. It does report on earnings tomorrow, but here's the problem: is it doesn't have any weekly options. They're only monthly options. Let's see charts. Let's see what the daily chart looks like. It Okay, so it went all the way to 57.50, and then now it's melting up a little bit, testing 58. This one is a hard one because that run up. Let me put in a buy order actually at 57.50. Maybe I'll get lucky at the end of the day and it'll retest at 57.50, and then I could sell a covered call on that after earnings. So hit that, buy 100 at 57.50, and those are my ideas for today.